Comfort matters when it comes to your home, especially in a place like Conway where warm summers and mild winters make airflow a year-round priority. One of the most effective, and visually appealing, ways to improve indoor comfort is by installing Bay Windows. More than just a design upgrade, Bay Windows can dramatically enhance ventilation, natural light, and overall livability in Conway homes. Better airflow through smart design. Bay windows typically consist of a central fixed window flanked by two operable side windows, often casement or double-hung styles. This configuration creates a natural opportunity for cross-ventilation. When the side windows are opened, they catch breezes from multiple angles, allowing fresh air to flow into the home more efficiently than a standard flat window. For Conway homeowners, this improved airflow can make a noticeable difference during warmer months. Instead of relying solely on air conditioning, Bay Windows help circulate outdoor air, reducing stuffiness and promoting a fresher indoor environment. This can also help regulate indoor humidity, making rooms feel cooler and more comfortable without overworking your HVAC system. Enhanced comfort in everyday living spaces. Bay Windows don't just improve airflow, they transform how a room feels. The outward projection of a bay window creates additional interior space, which can make a room feel larger and less confined. This extra space often becomes a cozy reading nook, breakfast area, or seating spot where homeowners can relax while enjoying natural light and fresh air. In Conway homes, bay windows are especially popular in living rooms, bedrooms, and dining areas where comfort and ambiance matter most. The ability to open side windows while still enjoying a clear outdoor view helps create a calm, inviting atmosphere that supports both relaxation and daily activities. More natural light, less artificial dependence. Another major comfort benefit of bay windows is increased natural light. Because bay windows extend outward, they capture sunlight from multiple directions throughout the day. This helps brighten interior spaces, reducing the need for artificial lighting and creating a warmer, more welcoming environment. Natural light has been shown to improve mood and make spaces feel more open and comfortable. In Conway homes, bay windows can help balance indoor lighting even on cloudy days, making rooms feel consistently pleasant regardless of the season. Improved temperature regulation. Ventilation and light work together to improve temperature control. With better airflow, hot air can escape more easily, while cooler breezes help lower indoor temperatures. During cooler months, the additional sunlight captured by bay windows can gently warm interior spaces, adding to overall comfort. This natural regulation can help Conway homeowners maintain a more consistent indoor temperature, potentially lowering energy costs over time. When your home works with the environment instead of against it, comfort comes more easily. A comfort upgrade that adds value beyond everyday comfort. Bay windows add long-term value to your home. Their timeless design enhances curb appeal while their functional benefits make living spaces more enjoyable. Buyers often appreciate homes with improved ventilation, natural light, and thoughtfully designed windows, making bay windows a smart investment for Conway homeowners. Bringing comfort home. Bay windows offer more than a beautiful view, they improve how your home feels day in and day out. By enhancing ventilation, increasing natural light, and creating inviting living spaces, bay windows help Conway homes stay comfortable in every season. Whether you're upgrading an existing space or planning a new installation, bay windows are a practical and elegant solution for homeowners who value comfort, style, and fresh air.